Hi, this is Julie with Three Sisters Sundries. I am back today to draw for a third time a winner for the Christmas door die set by Elizabeth Craft Designs, given away by Lolly Palooza. We have drawn two names and neither one of them have come forward and contacted Lolly, so make sure you contact if you are the winner. Okay, so here we go. I have put the video in the URL in here. I'm going to get the YouTube comments, and we should have a few more. We have 101 comments, and we will go down and start the raffle. Gilliland, I think that's how you pronounce that. Congratulations, you are the winner. Her comment says, "Not a Creature with Stirring is a delightful looking Christmas pad. I will be getting one." Awesome. Well, hopefully you will contact Lolly and be able to get your hands on this door die to add to your project. I will leave a link in the description box with Lolly's email address. You just need to contact her and she will give you instructions on how to claim your prize. I will also leave a link for the playlist series for this project. I will also leave a link in the description box to Lolly's shop where you can purchase the Not a Creature with Stirring kit. There are two different sizes. Also, she will have this door die set by Elizabeth Craft Designs. And anyway, I'll leave links for all that. Congratulations again to Gilliland. Make sure you contact Lolly within 7 days, so that will be November 26th. Is that Thanksgiving? Oh, that's Thanksgiving. Maybe it better be the day before. How about November 25th? Contact Lolly by then to claim your prize. And thanks again for watching.